The following is a presentation of Muddy River News.
And a good day, everyone. Meteorologist Brent Clare here with a weather briefing. We've been talking about this for a few days, and it looks like it's going to happen. Storm Prediction Center has just issued moderate risk for a large area of the mid-Mississippi Valley and all the way to Waterloo, Iowa, down past St. Louis and the Boot Hill, Missouri. Reason being, they have us under a 15% chance for significant or for tornadoes, and a 10% chance for significant tornado. They also have hail threats as well in the 30% range, and the wind threats obviously are going to be quite gusty as well. Let's zoom in a little bit here on this tornado outlook, and you see a wide area, again encompassing a lot. Some things have changed since last time we talked, mainly the timing in when storms are expected to develop. We had thought originally that it was going to be mid-afternoon at that 2 to 4 time frame. Now we're seeing an initial line starting to form around noon. This is the last update model we have. This is right now 16. This is 11 o'clock right now. You see these storms in western Missouri rapidly move to the east, and by 1 o'clock they are right on the Mississippi River. So obviously we have to concern about this. There are some tracks of rotation that are indicated by this. Again, you can't take that by gospel, but again, it's showing the fact that there are potentially rotating storms in this first line at 1 o'clock or 1 to 2 o'clock. We move, if these storms move out and the atmosphere has a chance to recover, then we see the second line of storms move in at 5 o'clock. And the second round of storms would be more linear, which means they'd be congealed more and very hard to be separate, so they do not be able to rotate as easily like a supercell would. So this would be more of a straight line wind event, but there would be possibility of some embedded tornadoes as well. So if I had to pick what time I would be most concerned about the tornadoes, would be around noontime today, when the atmosphere has the most potential to have all the ingredients available. But with that said, this is a day where you can't take anything for granted. It's a little interesting day, and I'm just going to put it like that. A lot of things have changed in the last 24 hours, as they usually do, and all we can do is just adapt to them and tell everyone what is going on to the best of our abilities. So the message right now is, obviously, you still got plenty of time to get ready. You got 6 hours. We've been talking to the schools so far. They're figuring out what they're going to do for the rest of the day. Some schools in Missouri have already canceled, and to our north as well. You have time now to find what you're going to do in case something would happen. So my quick first question is, do you have notification? Do you have weather radios? Do you have your alerts set up on your phone? Do you have a favorite TV station that you follow? Because I guarantee they're going to go wall to wall if there's a tornado warning, either 7 or 10, so don't worry about that. Do you listen to regular radio? You know, they should have alerts. Just make sure that you have plenty of ways to get notification. Secondly, do you have a place to go to in case a warning is issued that you need to take shelter? Interior room of your house. Basements are better. If nothing else, make sure you have a lot of blankets, pillows, maybe a mattress or two. If you have to hide in a bathtub, drag a mattress on top of you and use that as protection if you have to, just whatever it takes. The big thing we're pushing nowadays is if your kids have baseball helmets, bike helmets, or any kind of a helmet whatsoever, find them, and if a storm is heading your way, put them on your kids to give them a little more protection of their heads. It's a simple thing and something that it's easy to do, so consider that. And then, of course, I always say, dress like you need to dress for the occasion. Don't wear your Crocs, don't wear your flip-flops. Wear some good sturdy steel-toe boots or very heavy shoes, jeans. You might want to have a jacket on hand just in case, but wear what you might have to do in case you have to walk around down trees or any damage that may occur. So make sure you're as safe as you can. That's all we can tell right now. I'm just, again, when you hear the warnings, please listen to them. Don't think, oh, I got time. The reason why we issue warnings is to give you ample time to take shelter. And you might say, well, I'm going to waste my time, and nothing happens. Hey, it's not if it happens, it's when it happens. So we always want to make sure that you have plenty of time to take shelter, plenty of time to find shelter. Just make sure that you are prepared as well as you can for this, because we want everyone to be safe. So with that, probably won't be able to, it's going to get really busy here in the weather lab. Probably not going to be able to do too many more videos today, but if something is major coming on, we'll try to put something out on social media, whether it's on Facebook or Twitter, or even I think we're trying to get Instagram going. So if you haven't followed those before from Adams County Emergency Management, we'll try to push those out as much as possible. So, but the most important thing is, guys, the sky is not falling. The world is not going to end. It's just severe weather. We've all been through this before, and we'll get through this together, and it'll be all right. It'll be a good day. So with that, wish you all the best today. If you got questions, there's ways to contact us at the EMA, and we'll try to answer any questions that you might have. And be safe and take care, everyone. Have a good day.
Muddy River News. Our home, our news.